Today, we are going to take trash and make toys for our dogs. Or you could call it dog enrichment. You could call it whatever you want. It's fun for your dog. It's recycling products that you would just either throw in your recycle bin or throw in the trash. I have got with me, and I always save these, toilet paper roll holders and paper towel roll holders, and then an old shipping box that I have. We're going to put some treats in them, we're going to stuff them, and then we're going to give them to my dogs. I'm going to show you this from start to finish. I call this level easy. I also have another way that I do this that is a lot more hard and more enriching for my dogs when I really feel adventurous. We're not doing that today. I'll make another video in the future, so if you're interested in recycling items for dog toys, definitely subscribe. Let's get started. You are going to need, like I said, these, and a box. Oh, and then your dog's favorite treats. Oh, one last thing before we start. This makes a mess. Your dogs are going to shred these. It's going to be a mess. So don't do it on a day when you don't have time to clean up after them. I'm assuming since you're a dog mom or dad, you already know that dogs can be messy. So this is just one more mess in your house. All right, let's go make these. All right, I'm only going to do a couple for you, and then I'll show you how I put them all together. But I do have some treats. These are my mini training treats. I love these because they're only 1.5 calories each. So I don't have to worry about feeding them too many. And then I've got these as sort of like a big treat to put in there. The concept is super simple. You take this, you fold it down, and I did not come up with this. This I saw like years ago on the internet, and then I started doing it, and I do it all the time. And then you take a treat, however many you want to take. The other reason I do like these is, too many, is because they smell good. And then you fold it up. And so that is the basic concept. Whoops, except that one I did a cruddy job on. So you're folding it up. The treats can't get out, and the dogs have to get it out, which is why it makes a mess, because they are shredding these to get them out. Now, what I do to make it a little more difficult on something like this, I might just take some, this is wrapping paper. So again, more trash. Do it sort of like this, because they do smell. Stick it in the tube. And then I've got room on this side and this side. Put a treat in here. Fold it down. Like that. And then we've got this side. Did that come out? No. Put that in here. And then fold it down. Treats do not come out super easily, so that's good. And so now on this one, because it has those treats in the middle, they have to destroy the whole thing. Again, this is messy. This is a disaster. You don't have to put the paper in the middle. And as you can see, one of the treats already fell out. So you do have to watch how you fold it over when you do it. See, it's just folding over. But now they won't come out. So I'm going to do the rest of these, and then I'll be back and show you how I set them up to give to the dogs. Stormy here knows exactly what I'm doing. So she is sitting here patiently waiting for me to finish this up. So let me show you. All right, here they all are. I've made a whole bunch, and then I've also have my little handy dandy box here. So what I'm just going to do is throw them in a box. And as you can see, I mean, they're not falling out. They may look like they're folded strangely, and there's different sizes, so they can choose what they want. Did I put them all? These on top. And they're just kind of going to take them, which I will show you how they do this. All right, we got them all. They're just going to kind of take them, and they're going to take one, and they're going to work on it until the treat's out. I am going to show you them tearing them apart, and then I'm going to show you what my house looks like afterwards, because it is kind of a disaster. All right, come on, let's go. All right, here they are. I've got 1, 2, 3 dogs ready to go, and all I'm going to do is just give them to them. And they're going to dig through. It's going to take them a minute. And they're just going to enjoy it. Now, Zelda is my little shy girl right here. Hi, Zelda. She will eventually get involved, but once she understands that they're having fun. And then you can see Storm is like completely shredding. Lucy got one. It's great for nose work because they realize the treats are in there. It's great for enrichment. They have a really good time doing it. And it takes them a little bit. As you can see, they're not getting the treats out right away. Lucy hasn't figured it out yet, even though we do this probably once a month. She didn't, I think she may have not even gotten hers out, so she's going to try again. And then Zelda's just going to watch. She's now smelling the treats. Miss Zelda finally got in the mix. Yes. Storm thinks that she's just going to get them directly out of the box. I don't think she's figured it out. Again, dogs forget things really easily. And then here's Lucy. She's working on hers. They've only got about 2 out so far. So they are having a good old time. All 3 of them working really hard. Storm just is not getting it. It's okay. Lucy really seems to like the paper towel roll, so she's working on another one of those. And Zelda is working on another toilet paper roll. I wanted to give you an update. As you can see, my room is just a mess and full of trash. But they are still enjoying them. I think they're on the last ones because there's none left in the box. So I'm going to leave you here. But yeah, this is a fun activity. They tore through them probably in about 15 minutes. And they got through all the ones that I made, which was just that box fill. This is a great rainy day project for your dogs. They get to have enjoyment. They get some enrichment. And it's okay that they don't have to go outside because they are having fun. The only thing that kind of stinks is that you do have quite a bit of mess that you have to clean up. If you want more fun dog enrichment, please subscribe for more.